Hey guys, it's Fayon here. It's a beautiful Sunday. I've just been practicing out at the park. Wanted to share something with you guys, which is the Chapeu de Couro. It's a cool kick, comes from capoeira. I've been practicing capoeira since the start of the year. Managed to learn this and pull it off in the Couro a couple of times. And it just looks really cool. I see it in a lot of locomotion practices, a lot of people doing it. And it kind of builds off from a previous movement that I've shared with you guys before, which is the cross sweep. Now, the cross sweep, I'll show you what that looks like here, and you guys should check out that video if you haven't already. So it's that movement where traveling across from the ground really quickly. Now the Chapeu de Couro is like a more explosive version of this movement. We use it in capoeira to actually try and kick somebody. So if you can imagine, it's a bit more force and a bit more directed. So that's where it looks like this. And I'll break it down now for you guys so that you can give it a go. So to get started, get into a squat with your left foot. You're gonna wrap that around your right foot, and then you're gonna lean over on your left hand. You really gotta start trusting your left arm or use your hands as support to pull off this move, because basically you transfer all your weight onto this hand for a bit when you jump and both your legs are in the air. So in capoeira, what happens is this right leg here is the one that actually kicks the person. So if you can imagine, this leg sweeps out and then this leg kicks like that. So in slow motion, kind of looks like this. Now, to get height on it, you really have to start trusting your hand, using momentum and force to fall over to this direction and then jump off with the planted leg to give you power. So what you can do first is actually just practice these ones where you're actually just feeling this transfer of weight until your legs become light on this side. And then you can add in the next step, which is here, like that. So you don't have to make it complicated, just shift. The leg that's wrapped around comes out, and then this one comes to kick like that, roundhouse. And you can just put a bit more force until that spins you around. Now to get more power into it, you can start in this position. So starting off from the right, leaning over to the other side, and then this hand, you throw it over. So here, like that. And you can start feeling the force there, how that works. And basically from there, if you throw your hand over this way and kick over this leg, you can see you kind of want to fly off that way. And from there, just let this leg do the roundhouse to wrap around. So here, I go like this, a bit slower. I lean over, it comes out, and then wraps around. So one more time, I come over this direction, and then to come back out. And that's the Chapeu de Couro. Hope you guys enjoy.